using Chipotle gift card online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Chipotle gift card online. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google, or you can be at the Chipotle application as well. So you just so I'm just going to search for Chipotle, and I'll go to this website, which is chipotle.co.uk. Now here, suppose if I want to sign in, I don't know, it won't be let sign in just because there are some regional difference, which I don't know why I'm getting the error. So you just have to sign in. After signing in, you have to go to your profile and or your settings, and there you will easily be able to see an option for payments. You have to go to that option, and then in the payments you have to tap on redeem gift code. You just have to tap on that, and afterwards you just have to enter your gift card code, and your codes or your money will be added to your Chipotle account, which you will easily be able to use online without having any problem. You just have to order, and in the checkout, it will easily give an option if you want to check out using the Chipotle money, or if you want to use an external payment method like debit or credit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.